Jared. Oh yeah. Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. Like always, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check us out on Instagram and follow us at Restoration Garage. But we're part 2 on this Honda Civic. We just did a compression test and we got 150 pounds in the one that David is putting the compression tester on right now. And then we got 70 there, 70 there. We got 150 there, and then we got 125-ish on the last one. So we think we have a bad motor, but we're retesting number 3. You ready, David? Might have a warped head, yeah. Ready for it? Let's show the guys. All right, so here we go. Oh, let's show the viewers what it was. Let's do it one more time. Ready? All right, we're gonna crank her up one more time, guys. About 145. So cylinder 3 we're at. What do you got there?
140.
140-ish. Okay. And then you want to put it on 1 and 2 one more time and see what we got?
Not really.
Not really. maybe we made a mistake. Oh man, this is. So what do you think it is, David? Head gasket.
Probably running hot. Most likely one goes like this.
Yeah.
Not old enough, don't have enough miles for the chain to be going.
Right.
So it must have ran hot and run the head.
Yeah, because guys, we don't even have any. One thing we checked is we didn't have any radiator fluid, so obviously.
You got this even compression, like the same compression on these 2 cylinders.
Right.
That means the compression is crossing over from cylinder to cylinder.
Okay. All right, so hit it one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we've solved it, guys. I think we're gonna need a motor. So part 2 of this Civic. One more time. Let's show the viewers, David. What do we got there on number 2? Whoa, that's low, guys.
70 pounds.
70 pounds. You see that?
Number 1's the same way.
Yep, number 1 same way. So I guess. Yep.
You take the head off and get a new head gasket and have the head resurfaced if the chain didn't jump and bend the valves.
Right.
And really, all you need to do is resurface the head.
Right.
I think I'd probably do that right.
You think so? Remove the head and then take a look at the cylinders right there if they made a mark or not.
Unless you want to go to the engine, right?
Yeah. I mean, the engine's about 250 bucks, guys. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment below. Should we change the engine or should we resurface it and rebuild it? All right. So make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us on the gram at Restoration Garage. Thank you for viewing, and we might make a part 3 video once this baby is done. All right, guys. So make sure you hit that notification bell. And we are out. Thanks for viewing.